special. He's got himself a peach of a goal. And right on half-time, that is telling. He was so alert to the possibilities there. And that's about as smooth as it gets.
Unbelievable.
A two-goal cushion, and it's looking safe.
Perfect spot on the ball to produce brilliance like that. That is absolutely magnificent. Chance saloon, one wrong move now and he's in trouble. Well, if he's serious about trying from this range, I think he must feel he can generate the power. Big ask.
He'll fancy himself from here. Cristiano Ronaldo! Cushion, and it's looking safe. Cristiano Ronaldo versus the keeper, and only one winner.
Yeah, he always had the measure of the keeper. And
Each of a goal. Surely now, beyond all doubt. About as smooth as it gets. And surely that settles it. Well, he was never going to miss from there.
well, as they say, Peter, if you don't speculate, you won't accumulate. And we've just witnessed a player who was rewarded for his willingness to take a risk, as cunning as it comes.
The breakthrough strike. And how about that for a volley, executed to perfection.
Oh, look, the early feed gave him the opportunity to get the volley away.
Oh, an absolute gem of a cross. It made the header simple.
Yeah, I just thought he wanted that more than anyone else on the pitch, and it was fully deserved. He gave it everything he had. And some of the best managers I played for insisted on starting games as you mean to go on. And we've just seen a very important opening goal from an extremely talented individual who looks primed for more. He really does look at it.
With time and space aplenty, he was never going to miss.
I just think it's clever positioning from clever movement, and when all of that is synchronised with the right pass, that's what happens.